Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at Don't Look Back in Anger. It's got a few different chords. We'll be starting right from the intro, so we get a C, and it's for a bar. So it's 1, 2, and a 3, E, and 4. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, down to an F major 7. And an F major 7, you just have the E left open. So it's like a C shape shifted down. Back to C. F major 7. I'm going to try with the verse, so C, and the strum is down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, or 1, 2, and a 3, E, and 4, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, and within that strum you're going to be changing every half a bar, so 1, 2, and a 3, E, and 4, A minor, E7, F, to G, back to C, and this part you're going to be changing every beat of the bar, so 3 and a 4 and a, so down, down, up, down, down, up. So if you went C, 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4, and you go back to the C again for the beginning of carry on with the verse, 1, 2 and a 3, E, and 4, A minor, E7, F, G, back to C, and then A minor G, and then you go to, for the bridges, F, and then F minor could be done easily like this, with just your finger straight across, or you can do it like this, half, or what I call a 3/4 F, or F minor, and you could do a full F minor with that, or do it with your thumb. But if you want to go for the easy option, you can do that. Back to C, and it does this 3 times for a bar. Then F minor, back to C. That's twice. Going F minor, back to C. And goes to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, and E major. And then it's A minor for half a bar, to G, then to F for a bar, 3, 4, then G for 2 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then we've got chorus, which is the same as verse. A minor, E7, F, G, C, A minor G, then C, C stroke B, down, up, down, A minor, E7, F, G, and instead of going to C, A minor G, at this point it has a little link part where it goes straight back, so it misses off the C, and it goes straight to C as if it was going back to a verse, and this is where a little guitar part comes in. And then it carries on through another verse, a bridge and a chorus, and then you've got a guitar solo. Anyway, hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any songs you'd like to do, just leave something in the comment section, and I'll do my best to follow what you're saying and to give you what you want. All right, thank you so much.